Hi, good morning friends. Today I am going to configure repository server using HTTP protocol. So, to configure repository server using HTTP, we need to ensure that the HTTP package is installed or not. So let me check whether it is installed or not. I am opening terminal and I am querying HTTPD package rpm -qa pipe grape and httpd. See, the httpd package is installed. So what we need to do is to create a directory under document root. So I am creating a directory where www.html dvd or rel6, whatever you want. You can specify any name. Now the directory has been created. Now we need to copy the entire content of dvd into the where www.html_rel6 directory. So the command will be copy cp -av. The resource is mounted under /media subdirectory. Media. See, the disk is not mounted, so I am mounting the disk. Mount dev sr0/media. Now I am going to copy entire content of dvd into /var/www/html/rel6 directory. The command will be cp -av/media htdisk for all and where www.html and rel6. See, /media is the location where the disk is mounted, and cp command will copy the all content of dvd verbosely which is available in /media and copy its content into where www.html/rel6 directory. Because the disk size is more, so it will take some time. Meanwhile, I am going to configure client-side configuration of the repository server. So I am just opening a new tab by pressing Ctrl+Shift+T. I am going to provide information related to repository into its repository configuration file. vim etc yum.conf. See, there is already local repository is configured. What we need to do is to provide repository server information using HTTP. So first let me know the IP address of this system, that is ifconfig, that means interface configuration, Ethernet 0. The IP address of this system is 192.168.95.254. System config, vim etc yum.conf. We need to specify the repository server information on the every client computer So I am going to provide information in this file. So I am changing base URL to http colon double forward slash 192.168.95.254, and rel6 is the directory where all the package has been copied. So GPG key location is http colon double forward slash 192.168.95.254, and the directory will be slash rel6. So the repository server location is http 192.168.95.254 and slash rel6 directory, and the GPG key location is http colon double forward slash 192.168.95.254 and slash rel6 is the directory, and there is a file rpm-gpg-key-red hat-release. This file contains the key information of repository server. So this field is only required if you want to verify signature. Otherwise, you just modify GPG check to 0. This will not verify any signature and the package will be installed. So this information is enough to configure and access repository server. So I save and exit. Now the package has been copied. So what we need to do to start HTTPD service HTTPD start. HTTPD service has been started. I am configuring HTTPD service in such a way that this will be automatically start when the system will be start. So the command will be chkconfig httpd on. See, the HTTPD service has been started and it is already configured to start at boot up time. So what we need to do now is to allow HTTPD service in firewall so that the client will be able to retrieve the repository server information. If you will not specify the HTTPD service information in to firewall, the client will be not able to access the resource of repository server. So I am going to modify the firewall configuration system-config-firewall. There will be HTTP web. You have to just check this checkbox and click on apply. This will create a firewall rule. Reload and file quit. So we are in the position to test whether repository server is working or not. So yum space repo list. This command will retrieve all the repository server information and display. See, the section name is classroom, repository server name is Ravi Shankar, and there is 3391 packages available in this repository server. So I am going to install some package. I am going to install virtualization package. Yum install virt stdisk-y. Transaction test succeeded. Now it's running transaction and will install the package. First it is resolving the dependency. See, the repository server is working fine. The package has been installed successfully. So let me check. Click on application, click on system tools, and there is virtual machine manager. So you can install package by using graphical tool, administration, system administration, and add remove software. Continue anyway. Yeah, you can install package by here too. Installing some of the package like bash. A log file analysis program, log watch. Click on apply. Click on install. See, the status is displaying over here. Hardware monitoring tool, MCE log. Going to install. Click on apply. The package has been installed successfully. So in this video we have learned how to configure repository server using HTTP protocol. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.